Good morning children, I am K.S. sir, working as a mathematics teacher in Dr. Bisen school. In previous class we have discussed the integers chapter. Today also we have to continue last exercise. Okay, chapter name integers, topic integers. Okay children, open your textbook, page number 11, exercise 1.5. Okay. Exercise 1.5 B 87 minus 12 divided by 3 of 4 plus 37 minus 29 into 4. You see, Madmas rule we have to use. Okay, so first of all this one we will solve. 87 minus 12 divided by 3 of into 4 plus 37 minus 29. See, 37 minus 29, that is equal to 8. Okay, into 4, that is equal to 87 minus 12 by 3, 4 into 4 plus 8 4s are 32. Clear children? So 87 minus 4 4s are 16 plus 32. 87 minus 16, that is equal to 87 minus 16, 71. 71 plus 32. So 2 plus 1 3, 7 plus 3 10. So 103 is the answer. Understood? So first of all 87, 12 by 3, 4 into 4, 16. That is equal to 37 minus 29, 8, 8 4 is 32. So 87 minus 16, 71, 71 plus 32, 103. Okay children? Next this is the B solution. Next note down problem C. See, children, 500 minus box bracket 80 plus curly bracket 20 minus 60 minus 50 open simple bracket curly bracket closed bracket. Okay children, see solution. 500 minus 80 plus 20 minus 60 minus 50, that is equal to 10. So this one again simple bracket we have to solve first. 60 minus 50, 10. Close curly bracket, next box bracket. So that is equal to 500 minus 80 plus 20 minus 10, that is equal to 10. Okay, so 500 minus 80 plus 10, that is equal to 90. So 500 minus 90, that is equal to 410. See, 500 minus 80 plus 20, 60 minus 50, that is equal to 10. So 20 minus 10, 10, 80 plus 10, 90, 500 minus 90, 410. Okay? Children, I hope you understood very well. Yes? So this is the C solution. Next come to problem number D. D see 21 in textbook minus 21 given, but you write plus 21, just change it to plus 21 divided by closed bracket open 16 plus minus 13 plus minus 5. Observe here. So solution 21 divided by, so 16 plus into minus minus 13. So we have to solve bracket first. So plus into minus minus 5. That means 21 divided by 16 minus 13, that is equal to 3. Okay. Next to minus 5. So 21 divided by 3 minus 5. So 3 7 7 minus 5, that is equal to 2. Okay children. So this is the D solution. Clear? So 21 divided by 16 plus into minus minus 13. 16 minus 13. 16 minus 13, 3, 21 divided by 3, 7 minus 5, 2. Okay. Next problem next problem E. Minus 20 plus minus 4 divided by minus 1 into minus 8. Okay. So solution, the minus 20 plus minus 4 divided by minus 1, Badmas rule. Okay. Into minus 8, that means, okay, minus 20 minus 4 by minus 1, that is equal to minus minus cancel, 4 by 1, that is equal to 4. Okay. So 4 into minus 8, 4 into minus 8, that is equal to minus 20, 4 into minus 8, minus 32. So minus 20 minus 32 minus 52, that is equal to minus 20 minus 32 minus 52. Clear children? See, minus 20 minus 4 divided by minus 1 into minus 8, minus minus cancel, 4 by 1 4, 4 into minus 8 minus 32 minus 20 minus 32 minus 52. This is E solution. Next question. Next to F. Write in box bracket minus 7 into minus 15 divided by 3 plus minus 2 into 6. Okay children, so first of all what is in bracket, that one we will solve. Minus 7 into minus 7 into minus 15, that is equal to 15 7 ja 105, minus into minus plus, so this is 105. Okay, next divided by 3 plus minus 2 into 6, that is equal to minus 12. Okay, so that is equal to 105 divided by 3 plus minus 12, that is equal to 3 3s are 9, 1 15, 3 5s are 15, so 35. So 35 minus 12, that is equal to 23. Okay children, so 23 is the final answer. Okay, next note down children. Next to G, 100 into minus 10 plus 300 divided by 100 minus 50. Okay, so this one we have to solve. Okay, since 100 into minus 10 plus 300 divided by 100, first bracket. Okay, so 100 minus 50 we have to solve. Inside bracket what is that? 100 minus 50. 100 minus 50 means 50. Okay, so 100 minus 10 minus 1000 plus, so this is 300 divided by 100 minus 50, 50. Okay, so minus 1000 plus 300 by 50, 300 by 50, that means minus 1000, 56 are 300, that is equal to minus 1000 plus 6 minus 994, minus 994. This is the G solution. I hope you understood very well. Yes, no? Note down children. Next, example 7. In Simla temperature was minus 4 degrees centigrade. Okay, okay, this is the two working sums in Simla. Temperature was minus 4 degrees on Monday. And then it dropped by, and then it dropped by 2 degree on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Simla on Tuesday? What was the temperature of Simla on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 3 degree. On Wednesday, it rose by 3 degrees centigrade. What was the temperature on Wednesday? What was the temperature on Wednesday? Okay. See, first temperature on Monday, temperature on Tuesday. Temperature on Monday. Temperature on Monday minus 4 degrees centigrade. Temperature on Tuesday, seen. Now how many degrees dropped? 2 degrees dropped. 2 degrees down. Dropped means what? Down. That means minus 2. That means minus 4 degrees minus 2 degrees. That is equal to minus 6 degrees. Okay. Now temperature on Wednesday. Temperature on Wednesday. So Wednesday, so minus 6 degrees centigrade plus still how much? Now it was on Wednesday, it rose by 3 degrees centigrade. Rose means increase, that means plus. That means minus 6 plus 3, minus 3 degrees. Okay. So the temperature of Simla was, okay. So what we have to find on Wednesday? What was the temperature on Wednesday? So temperature on Wednesday. The final how much it is? Minus 3 degrees centigrade. Okay, children? Okay. So first of all, temperature on Monday, temperature on Tuesday. First temperature on Monday, minus 4 degrees. So this is minus 4, minus 2, minus 6. Minus 6 plus 3, minus 3. So final temperature on Wednesday, minus 3 degrees centigrade. Understood or not? Okay, this is the example 7 solution. Okay. Okay, note down, children. Okay, I hope you understood very well. See, clearly you have observed dropped means minus. Dropped means what? Minus. Rose. Rose means what? Increase. That too you have to observe. See, here Monday to Tuesday dropped. That's why minus 4 to minus 2 degrees. Minus 4, minus 2, minus 6. But Wednesday it is increased. So previous what? Minus 6 degrees centigrade. So how much increased? 3 degrees centigrade. Minus 6 plus 3 is equal to minus 3. Minus 6 plus 3, that is equal to minus 3. Clear, children? So this is the way we have to solve. So in next class, example 8 and exercise 1.6 problems we will solve. So what is today's homework? Okay, today's homework, children, practice exercise 1.5. Okay, so in exercise 1.5, problem A, problem B, problem C, problem D, problem E, problem F, problem G. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 problems I gave. So these 7 problems, each and every problem 3 times you practice. Okay children, you are maintaining classwork, you are maintaining homework book also. In homework book, okay, you have to practice. Okay, so practice. Children, simplify the following mathematical expressions using BODMAS rule. Okay, this rule you have to use. Each and every problem, all 7 problems I have explained you. Okay, what you have to do? You have to note down the same sums in your classwork, as well as you have to practice these sums in your homework book also. Okay, children, you have to follow this. Clear children? Okay, next to example 7 also it is there. So example 7 also you can practice. Example 7. This example 7 also 3 times you practice. Okay children? So integers almost all we have completed. Still one exercise is pending, exercise 1.6. In 1.6 7 sums are there. That 7 sums also maximum 2 videos. Why? Because working sums, it takes 2 videos. In 2 videos we can finish. Later the math, okay, that math problems I will explain you. Clear children? Math is common for state and CBSE. Okay, state and CBSE it is common. Math is common. Okay children? Thank you for listening.